Are you having issues with the sound on your Windows 11? In case you are facing issues with playing a specific audio file on your PC, it might be due to missing or faulty audio codecs. In this video, you will see how to install audio codecs to get crystal clear sound on your Windows 11 PC. What is audio codec? Audio codec is a device or software used to decode and encode digital audio files. It is used to convert analog audio signals into a digital format so that they can be stored as a file on the computer. Later, when you play this file, the audio codec is used to convert it back to an analog format so that you can listen to it from the speakers. The quality of the sound depends on the type of audio codecs used. There are several types of codecs available. Some of the popular ones are MP3, AAC, FLAC, and WAV. If your PC is missing any of these codecs, you won't be able to play that file. Before we begin installing the audio codec, let's see how many codecs are installed on our PC. To do that, press the Windows plus R button, then type msinfo32 and hit Enter. It will open the System Information window. In here, expand the Components section, then Multimedia. Here you can see the audio and video codecs. But you cannot know the name of the codecs as it is not clearly written. You can search for them on the internet to learn the names. Now let's see how to install the audio codecs on your Windows 11 PC. To install them, we will use a tool called K-Lite. Open the search engine and type K-Lite Codec Pack. Then visit this website called Codec Guide. In here, scroll down and look for the basic version and click on Download Basic. On the next page, select a server to download it. Once downloaded, run the installer. Here you will see the Windows Defender Smart Screen warning because the app doesn't have any publisher information. Don't worry, the app is safe. I uploaded it to VirusTotal and it came out clean. You can see that. To run the app, click on More Info and then click on Run Anyway. Click Yes in the UAC pop-up. On this screen, click Next. Then on this page, it lets you select the preferences for the default media player. You don't have to change anything. Click Next. On the next page, you get the additional tasks and options, and you can change anything if you don't like. Click Next. Then keep clicking on the Next button until you see the additional software offers. On this page, the installer is offering additional software, which we don't need, so we will click on Decline. Then on the next page, click on Install. Once the software is installed, click on the Finish button. Now, restart your PC so that the new codecs start running. After the restart, you can run the audio file that is causing the issue.